To that historic nomination, President Biden following through on his promise and choosing Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson to succeed Justice Stephen Breyer and become the first black woman on the Supreme Court. The White House releasing video of President Biden calling Jackson to offer her that job. ABC's Rachel Scott joins us now this morning here with more. Rachel, good morning.
Gio, good morning. And this is a milestone, 233 years in the making. For the first time in our nation's history, a black woman is nominated to the Supreme Court. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, a former clerk for Justice Stephen Breyer, now hoping to replace him on the bench.
Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson walking into history, becoming the first black woman nominated to the Supreme Court. The announcement 2 years to the day that President Biden promised to appoint a black woman to the bench.
For too long, our government, our courts haven't looked like America. And I believe it's time that we have a court that reflects the full talents and greatness of our nation.
And with the nation's first black vice president looking on, Judge Jackson said she was humbled by the extraordinary honor.
And I do know that one can only come this far by faith. Among my many blessings, and indeed the very first, is the fact that I was born in this great country.
The 51-year-old has almost a decade of experience on the federal bench, confirmed to the U.S. Court of Appeals in D.C. The daughter of school teachers grew up in Miami, Florida. Jackson said it was her father who started her on the path of public service.
I watched him study, and he became my first professional role model.
And she detailed how the legal system has hit close to home.
You may have read that I have one uncle who got caught up in the drug trade and received a life sentence. That is true. But law enforcement also runs in my family. In addition to my brother, I had two uncles who served decades as police officers, one of whom became the police chief in my hometown of Miami, Florida.
The mother of two, paying tribute to those who came before her, including Constance Baker Motley, the first black female federal judge.
Today, I proudly stand on Judge Motley's shoulders, sharing not only her birthday, but also her steadfast and courageous commitment to equal justice under law.
Jackson is a former federal public defender, a job no justice has ever had. Black women are dramatically underrepresented on the federal bench. And for the first time in 233 years, one will be nominated to the highest court.
The United States of America is the greatest beacon of hope and democracy the world has ever known.
This now sets off a fierce confirmation battle. Judge Jackson did earn the support of 3 Republicans when she was confirmed to the D.C. Circuit, including Senator Lindsey Graham, a Republican who is now coming out and attacking her record. The White House is hoping for bipartisan support, but Lindsey, they are certainly not counting on it.
But what she says, she has come this far by faith. Truly historic indeed. Rachel, our thanks to you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.